If you've made some money on Solana and you now want to withdraw it to an external wallet, you can do that. It's very easy. So this video will show you how to do it. So inside of Axiom Pro, if you look in the top right hand corner, you'll see your balance. This is going to be the balance at the current market rate of Solana. Or if you're on the BNB network, it will be BNB. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and withdraw this. So if you click on the balance in the top right, you can then click withdraw. That will open up this window here and you can then enter in a withdraw amount. So I'm going to choose the max amount here. Now you need a Solana address. So you probably use an external wallet to get it into Axiom, and you need to withdraw it also into an external wallet. It doesn't have to be the same wallet, but you need a Solana address. Now I have a Trust Wallet here open. You can go ahead and download the Trust Wallet extension on Google Chrome and get a wallet here for free. Now once you've got your wallet, all you need to do is find Solana under crypto. So if you click manage crypto, you can go ahead and search for the Solana token. So you want Solana here, SOL. And what you can do is you can click receive and you can then get a address here, a Solana address, which you can click copy on, which you can then paste into Axiom. Now it's important to note here, you're withdrawing your funds from Axiom into a wallet that you own. So you need to make sure that you have the recovery keys backed up, because if you lose access to this Trust Wallet, your computer breaks and you don't have the seed written down, then obviously you're going to lose your money. So make sure you have the recovery phrase saved. You can then withdraw the Solana to this Solana address that you've just got from Trust Wallet. Enter in your password, and there you go. We've successfully sent that Solana, and in a second this will refresh and we should be able to see the balance update. And there you go, just like that, we've got the balance back into our Trust Wallet. Now, if we wanted to go one step further and convert this into our local currency, we are going to need to send this to an exchange and then withdraw into your bank account, or you can withdraw into a crypto card. So there are many ways now that you can use these funds to spend in the real world, but that's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.